have purchased one of the plastic adapters for the short shank, or for the slant shank machine, to make it take standard clip-on feet. Unfortunately, the produced version, I don't know why they don't produce them with metal bits, but they just break. However, I'm trying a new style, which is basically like the standard shank for these slant shank machines, but thicker, so it's about like 3 or 4 times the thickness, so the plastic therefore supports it. It's pretty good. One complaint that I've seen is that they say it doesn't sit exactly in the middle, and they're kind of right. It's half a millimeter off, because you can see the spaces in the side there. So it's easy enough to just put a tiny bit of wire if it's necessary, but for normal sewing it's not going to make much of a difference, just the odd straight stitch foot. But this is a standard clip-on foot. It does look like it does work, absolutely, so I've got these in my collection now. Now the problem is I was trying to find maybe one had one downstairs in my 411G, but I was trying to find one of the shearing feet, but I couldn't find one for this machine that I had handy, so but I had a clip-on for the Husqvarna Viking machines, but of course they again take a different type of foot, so I've sort of chopped this to bits. Hopefully it'll just survive for the project that I need. Then what I can do is refine this and produce a better version, maybe stick some metal on there in the end, but it's holding now for the time being. Definitely needs an improvement in it, just sort of stuck together. This one just straightforward, nothing fancy, but this one is a little more complicated. However, all being well, it'll work. So I hope you found that helpful, because it is possible to resolve this issue, but why you just can't buy the metal ones? Because you get them for high shank, low shank, they're just really frustrating. I did it. That is Slant Shank for Husqvarna Viking. That one, as you can see, put the HV on there. And then this one is for standard clip-on feet. I haven't done the FAF one yet. I might do it or might not. Depends on my mood, but it's fairly straightforward. So we finally have working slant shanks.